What's up, guys? I know it's been a long time, but we're back. It's your boy Mopar Nobility, and we're here at Injected Engineering to go over some new mods. It's going to be a really great and exciting time. So as you guys, just to bring you up to speed, as you guys may know, I had a Whipple 2.9 liter supercharger. It went out on me, and right now we're going with the Hyliion twin turbo sleeper kit. So we're in the beginning stages of it, and we're just going to go through. I got a whole list of mods, and for you guys to definitely stay tuned, because I'm gonna have a lot of car parts to sell for some really nice prices. Hit me up on IG, same name, Mopar Nobility, and here we go.
Mopar Nobility.
And this coupling here, what does that do?
It's for the oil.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like the oil feed line for the turbos.
Yeah.
And then when I get to it, this will have a drain line coming out.
Oh, okay. And is the oil coming from the oil pan, or it has its own like so?
It's right. The line comes up right here.
Oh, okay.
I guess that's like the oil filter housing area.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see it up there. It's like right above the oil filter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn, that's pretty awesome. But yeah, here you go. 64mm turbos. That's what's up. And the intake, where is it? I see it just goes up.
They're just kind of sitting right here, but yeah, it literally just comes out right here, and then the filter sits right there.
Oh, okay.
So I just got them resting up there right now.
Oh yeah.
I'm just kind of laying out to see how everything.
That's what's up.
Goes.
Yeah, that's the new 15-inch conversion. AAD performance drag. Yeah, that's nice. Well, there you have it, folks. I know it was a quick video, but yeah, check out the Mod to Fame beanie, Shout out to Mod to Fame. Hey, yeah, that was just a quick little video, man. Those guys are really knocking it out pretty fast. I mean, they did a lot of work in about 3-4 days, so I didn't really want to just linger around the shop and stuff like that. I mean, I've been here for a while, but I just wanted to keep my video time down to a minimum. But it's coming along, so it's a lot of mods, man. Stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna have a more in-depth video with the car. Definitely take my time and just go in extra detail about all the mods that's coming along with the vehicle. I'm extremely happy, and can't wait for the next video, man. Stay tuned, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, and pass the word, get the channel bigger, stuff like that. Help me get 1,000 subscribers, and but forget all that, man. I'm really doing it because it's just a passion for me. It's just I enjoy doing it, man. I really do. And that's about it, man. Can't wait to see y'all again. Stay safe. Happy holidays.